My people, my message to young soldiers. As una don't pass out now, some of una don't go pass. My message to all of you be see, this is the secret wey me I dey use. You understand? As una don't go pass now, I don't play finish, come go back to work, come back to work. Eh? Let me tell you now, the highest secret we're not going to use for this work to survive.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, follow me carefully and watch this particular video, because a lot of people may not like this video, but this our brother is saying the truth. Whether you like it or not, he's still our brother, but he's serving in Nigerian soldiers, which I don't support him serving in Nigerian soldiers. But the kind of message where this our brother they pass in this video really shocked me, and I want to share this video so that other people can be able to know what they are doing as a soldier or a military. So watch this video and also share your opinion in the comment section. Your opinion matters a lot, because this is a very powerful and the strongest message that you have ever heard. So watch this video and share the video. On love.
My people, my message to young soldiers. As una don't pass out now, some of una don't go pass. My message to all of you be see, this is the secret wey me I dey use. You understand? As una don't go pass now, I don't play finish, come go back to work, come back to work. Eh? Let me tell you now, the highest secret we're not going to use for this work to survive. Because I dey work with young soldiers and I don't want them to die again. Don't want any young soldier to die again. The secret my father gave me when I first go my first pass about 14 years ago. When I go my first pass, my father, after praying for me, he said I should be doing this thing to help me. No be juju, nothing like juju. This thing that when you neutralize a criminal, like when you drop somebody, a criminal or terrorist or bandit, anyhow one column, yeah, don't come out anything from that person's body. Don't to remove anything from that deceased body. Don't remove anything from, like phone or wristwatch, anything at all. Don't remove anything from that person's body. Leave the person with intent. Even the weapon where the person carry, just use your left leg, shift the weapon one side, pick the weapon, return it to authority. The authority will take care of the weapon and the deceased. Don't remove anything from that person's body. Do you know why? The reason is, once a criminal is a criminal, let me tell you, a criminal is already cursed. Anything where they in body is cursed. You understand, ba? So when you pick that thing from your body, that curse go follow you. Because the person they already died, they've caused, they find where you go. The curse go follow you. You're not going to say cause they follow you. You understand, ba? That's why you say one soldier die. They go say, what thing happened to them? What thing happened to them? Let me tell you, you could just see bullet where the waka going on. One nonsense stone go just hit them. You go divert, come meet you. You go see and you don't go. Let me tell you the truth. What I tell you, I don't collect. Nobody say na juju. That's why people say I know they die. I they die now because of I keep my secret. Yeah. Let me tell you. When I see this place, when I see this place now. I collect for you. I collect for you. The 10 brush come off for you. That is one. Another one dey my stomach for you. For my stomach, a pass come off my back. Not me be it. No, this one na for Jili. No Jili. Na for that I collect this one. This one is steady. Na another location. But na me be this stand they talk to you people. But they get no be say na me get grace pass. No. But don't take any. I tell you now, don't take anything. I don't want young soldiers to die again. Don't, because some people are formed of it. I'm not the only soldiers. Both police, NSCDC, anyone where you be. Don't take anything from any deceased. Anybody we see where you don't drop. You know say don't drop and don't take anything from him body. Leave him within wahala. Me you carry wahala they go. That thing no pass your life. Your life first. Any call will tell you. In training ground they know they tell you now. Say your life first. This is the highest secret we go give you now. Juju, let me tell you, say juju. If you come bush, you go see men where get juju pass you, we don't go. But we will see they. Not saying our grace pass. No. But keep your secret. The highest secret, now the highest gift we go give you now as a young soldier be this. God bless you all, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I love you all.
Get ready, because Mr. President is going to release him very soon. And those of you who have been wishing and expecting to hear that one evil thing has happened to him, una get ready. Get ready. People like Ijele, all of them, make una get ready. All of you will leave that region. You will leave that region. You will leave that region. Yeye people. The Moses of the Igbo. Is there anything that Nnamdi Kanu has prophesied that is not happening in Nigeria today? Can't you see that you are the greatest Ozuo? That is the reason why I told you that no Igbo man will rule Nigeria until Nnamdi Kanu is out. Yes, I want to react to a particular video that is trending on social media right now about a man who came out on national television requesting that the federal government should unalive Nnamdi Kanu. The federal government should buy Nnamdi Kanu. A lot of people have been sending me that videos, and it pains me a lot to see an Igbo man wishing the unaliving of another Igbo man. What is the offense of Nnamdi Kanu? A man who has single-handedly stood up for his people. Look at Sunday Igbo.
Ndu Kochukwu abayego na the matter. When man arrive from day one, I know the matter of Nnamdi Kanu. And they come na this my platform. I na ekuye mgbe niile. Na iburu onye Kochukwu, iburu a prophet, iburu a priest, iburu a pastor, call na ebo, whether in tradition or religion, whatever. Na edi afọ maka obubia Biafra. Nwanna enwere ife na afọ, you are fake. Achọm ka get to know if what this popular man of God, Prophet Elijah Bamidele, said about the trending video of one Mr. Chigozie who was calling for the unaliving of Nnamdi Kanu. This man don't know if he broke onye Igbo, even if he was privileged to marry an Igbo woman. But this man don't know if he is not an Igbo man, but he stands with the truth. That is how you know a true man of God. Because the viral video, Mr. Chigozie, he was calling on the Catholic priest, calling on men of God to come and sensitize our people. Sensitize our people from the truth or from what? I don't really get. Guarantee you know what Prophet Elijah Bamidele could hear concerning that video. He did not exempt Udele and the team and then fight Nnamdi Kanu tooth and nail. He made example with Sunday Igbo. Afunu gebendi Yoruba na attack mba. He made example with Shegumi. Afunu gebendu guna for the pine of Shegumi mba. That Abian Igbo, an Igbo man, fight an Igbo man, Otu Akono see as a presidency. He said it can never happen, and I stand with that. Because of phobia, it's lacking in an Igbo. That an Igbo man will rise for your sake, for my sake, for our sake. If I was Igbo Kendibu, and then shiny ways, I don't blame them. All these people are paid agents. Guarantee you know if you Kochukwu Basatara that viral video that is flying of that man that called for the buying of Nnamdi Kanu. Remember, like I said, this man brought an Igbo man. So if he feel called Abrogibo Igbo, only one fee, only Igbo, Biafra, they got to fight somebody who rise for your freedom. Somebody who, because of this cause, has lost his parents, has lost his own freedom. Now accuse you of he embezzled money, he did that, he's living in Kenya, he bought us and all that. Shame to you. So cars and houses the yampa, may I can honor prison. Watch this video, your brain they will factory setting. Listen to what the man of God said. Actually, kuku. Coordinate kononum kusi. With data, watch your video. They can watch ya jirako gono share. Let's go into the video.
God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Senior Prophet Elijah Bamidele Lokolo is my name. Yes, I want to react to a particular video that is trending on social media right now about a man who came out on national television requesting that the federal government should unalive Nnamdi Kanu. The federal government should buy Nnamdi Kanu. A lot of people have been sending me that videos, and it pains me a lot to see an Igbo man wishing the unaliving of another Igbo man. What is the offense of Nnamdi Kanu? A man who has single-handedly stood up for his people. Look at Sunday Igbo. Look at Sunday Igbo. Our people fought for him. They covered him. Why Igbo? Why Igbo people? Why some of you? Why is it that some of you no get sense? See, you wish that federal government should unalive Nnamdi Kanu. Is Nnamdi Kanu your problem? Is it the reason why you are frustrated and depressed? Yeah? I'm sorry to disappoint you, young man. Ozuo, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Annual fear. I'm sorry to disappoint you. Mr. President, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is a man of highly intellectual, a man of wisdom, a man that values his people, a man that values human life. Very soon, you will see Nnamdi Kanu standing by the side of Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not a bad man. Nnamdi Kanu will be freed and is coming out. I know how many Igbo, some Igbo anyhow people. I know how many of them have. I know how they have threatened me because of Nnamdi Kanu. I'm not an Igbo man, but that is a man that was sent to liberate the Igbo land. If it were to be somebody like this Oswald that is talking on national television now, if I don't collect money since, betray his people, but this man refused. He had the opportunity to betray his people, but he said no. He stood for his people. You have the temerity, the audacity to come out on national television requesting that federal government should unalive him. Can't you see that you are the greatest Oswald that the Igbo people have ever produced? What is the offense of Nnamdi Kanu? That he said, let my people go. Is that his offense? Get ready, because Mr. President is going to release him very soon. And those of you who have been wishing and expecting to hear that one evil thing has happened to him, una get ready. Get ready. People like Ijele, all of them, make una get ready. All of you will leave that region. You will leave that region. You will leave that region. Yeah, people. The Moses of the Igbo. Is there anything that Nnamdi Kanu has prophesied that is not happening in Nigeria today? Can't you see that you are the greatest Oswald? That is the reason why I told you that no Igbo man will rule Nigeria until Nnamdi Kanu is out. All these people are doing contesting for presidency. You are not wasting your time. Presidency 2027 will belong to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You are just wasting your time. No Igbo man will rule Nigeria until Nnamdi Kanu is consent. Until he say go, no way for any of you. I pray that those who are wishing Nnamdi Kanu evil, may God clothe them with evil. May God clothe them with evil. And you that's going to watch this video, may my God deliver you and free you from every form of the enemy in Jesus' name. God bless you.
The confidence I have with God is that once Biafra is restored, my job is done. Then sensible people within IPOB will then manage the affairs of state. Sensible people that will be voted for by the people. Nobody will arrogate to him or herself any position. You assume nothing. The people will decide. That is why we need to educate our people sufficiently enough to understand what is good for them and what is bad for them. To reject the bad and accept the good. That is what we are doing, and that is why we do what we do.
So, if you are not going to take any position, what are we going to do with the wealth of knowledge that God has given you? What position are you going to take? Are you going to be an advisor, or I don't know? Because without you leading the first government of Biafra, I don't know what are we going to do with the knowledge that God has given you, the honesty, especially the honesty. I mean, I'm wondering.
I'm putting all of that in a book, which will be a guide, which will be like a Bible for our people not to deviate from. I'm writing that, and that will be my contribution after this.
Okay.
I'll write that, and that will guide everything we do. We will teach it from nursery school all the way to university, so that we produce generations that will love our land and do everything for us. To understand also that leadership is not about being in power and stealing money and banking it abroad. It's about the sacrifice you make for the well-being of your people. That is the example that we want to set, and that example will immortalize the heritage that IPOB has worked for.